What we're looking at here is actually Gigasheet. And this is what the data looks like after it's gone through all that processing that I described. This is data for all of Florida. And you can see here we've got 8.8 billion rows of rates. Each line is a rate for a particular provider. We have their location, their tax ID in here, the plans that are covered by this rate, even the file where the payer published it, as well as just details like the billing code and the payer that processed it. So, or the payer that published this information. Gigasheet has lots of tools for analyzing and processing the data, like doing pivots, for example, which will take a couple seconds. I mean, it's 8.8 billion rows of data, but you can start to filter this and group it in different ways so that you can make sense of it and really start to understand the data before you build it into your CRM, your contracting system, your RCM, or your agent-based model. For example, you can see the payers here. Florida Blue has 5.6 billion rates in this particular file. That makes sense. They're one of the major players in this market, and we can see the others here as well. Specifically, let's look at a breakdown of diabetes data. We're going to talk about diabetes a little later. So what we did is we selected a number of billing codes that are specific to diabetes, which you can see here, and Todd will talk about this a little more. So this data is used by payers, providers, self-funded employers, benefits consultants and partners, and statistical and agent-based models, which employ AI. And that's really what we do at Gigasheet and what the data behind the scenes looks like.